Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about a new data recovery tool that can solve your data loss or data corruption problems, because its AI features truly amazed me. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. Welcome to my channel, Technichio. First, I'll show you how to download and install this recovery tool. I'll open my browser and type wonderfoxrecovery.com into the address bar. The RecoveryFox AI tool page will appear, and I'll download it from here. While it's downloading, let's take a look at the website. Scrolling down, we see a caution alert about the recommended steps to take after data loss to maximize the recovery rate. So the first step is to stop using the data hard drive immediately to prevent further damage. The second step is to cut power to the hard drive to avoid any physical damage. The third step is to use a correct and trusted recovery tool to ensure complete data recovery. The fourth step is to save the recovered data on a different hard drive, so the damaged hard drive doesn't corrupt it again. And the final step is to act quickly to prevent the hard drive from causing more damage to the data. If you follow all these steps, your data recovery rate will increase significantly because they are all very important. Once the download is complete, I'll open it for installation. First, I'll get a language option. I'll choose English and click OK. Then the welcome page will appear. Next, I'll see the license agreement. I'll accept it, choose the destination folder. I'll leave it as the default. Click Next and install the software. After the installation is complete, I'll launch the software. The official website will also open automatically. I'll close that. After loading, the software will open and you'll see its interface. On the left side, you'll see all the partitions and hard drives, and on the right side, you'll see options for the recycle bin and desktop. But I'm going to plug in my USB drive. First, let me show you what data is on it. As you can see, there's a movie and a folder containing all my YouTube video thumbnails. Now, I'm going to format this USB drive so I can attempt to recover the data. You can see my USB drive has been formatted and is now completely empty. I'll open the software and refresh the hard drives. You can see my USB drive is also shown as empty here. So I'll scan it. The software will perform a complete thorough scan for any possible data recovery. This scan can take some time, depending on your hard drive's size. After the scanning is complete, you can see it has detected a lot of data, meaning it has even recovered the old data. On the left side, you'll get two options, one for file path and one for file type. In the file path section, you'll find a folder named AI Scan containing many file types. But first, I'll recover all the photos and videos from the file type section to show you the difference between the AI Scan and the simple scan. However, when I click Recover, it will ask me for registration, requiring a license code. I've already purchased this software, so I'll just paste the license code and register. You'll find the website link in the description where you can see all the packages. And trust me, this software is worth buying. After registration is complete, I'll recover the data. If I check the recovered data in location B, you can see that in the PNG folder, my thumbnails have been recovered, but they are corrupted. Half of the thumbnails are missing. And if I check the videos, they are empty too. There are no videos in them. So, I'll go back to the software and select the file path section this time. I'll recover the PNG folder from the AI Scan folder to see if the thumbnails are actually recoverable. After recovery, if I check, you can see all my thumbnails have been recovered perfectly. Now, back in the software, if I recover the MP4 and EXE files from the AI Scan and then check them, you can see my EXE files have also been recovered. These are quite old and weren't even recently on my USB drive. If I open one, it works perfectly. Finally, if I check the MP4 folder, you'll find my movie that was on the USB drive before the format. So that's it for today's video. If I were to rate this software, I'd give it a 10 out of 10, because the last recovery tool I used didn't recover the XE files even though they were on the USB drive. But this software's AI feature not only recovered my data, but also restored the EXE files perfectly. So what rating would you give this software? Please let me know in the comments section below. In the next video, I'll show you how to install the latest version of VMware on your system and how to install Windows on it. So don't miss my next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technichio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.